Hello, everybody. Mostafa Hosseini here. Hope all is well. One way to grow and scale your business is by standing out from your competition in a good way so that people will notice you, they will give you their business, and they'll enjoy working with you, and you enjoy working with them. Now, most business owners, when they are confronted with the question of how are you different and how do you stand out from your competition, don't have a good response to that because they are not different and they don't differentiate themselves from the rest of the competition. So one way to stand out from your competition, and this way is very near and dear to my heart, is by specializing and picking a niche, okay? So there are multiple ways to go about that. And one way is to pick a niche of people, okay? A group of people and then you say, I serve this group of people within this certain age range and this specific demographic, and I'd like to specialize in those people because either I'm similar to them, they're like me, or I just like them and I like to serve them, right? Then you get to know them inside out and you can speak their language, and when you say to them that I specialize in you and your pain, it's a lot easier to get them. Now, the second way is to specialize in a type of service, right? So you would say, I help people with their back pain, I help people with their knee pain, I specialize in a root canal, or there's a specialty that you pick to help people with, right? Then another way to stand out from your competition and differentiate is through technology. So you could have or develop a technology that, say, your competition could be 5 years behind you to develop and catch up with you, right? Now, once you specialize and pick a niche and differentiate from yourself from your competition, getting customers and growing and scaling becomes a lot easier. Marketing becomes a lot easier. Finding your customers becomes a lot easier. Getting referrals becomes much, much faster and easier, right? Because you would just maybe display your message, and through your advertising, you would tell people that I specialize in you and the problem that you have, and I can help you. If you like your problem fixed, give me a call. I specialize in this. I'm an expert in this. I'm a professional in this, right? The sales process, the conversion process, building trust and credibility becomes a lot easier and faster. Another point about specializing is once you specialize and pick a niche, it automatically qualifies you to charge a premium, right? Because most business owners are trying to serve and get to everybody and anybody that is breathing. When you ask them, who do you serve? They say, I'm looking for everybody and anybody that is walking and breathing. I'd like to talk to them, right? So when you specialize and you charge you automatically get qualified to charge a premium, which is more profits and people would be happier, and you get to attract the right type of client. So you'd be happier, they'd be happier, you specialize, you're really good at what you do, your overhead comes down, and I cannot talk enough about it. Peter Thiel, co-founder of PayPal, wrote a book called 0 to 1. In that book, Thiel says that competition is for stupid people. He says if you're in a market, and I agree with him, if you're in a market where you have a ton of competition, that's stupid. Get out and go in a place where there is either very few competitors or no competition at all. So if you'd like to dig deeper into this topic, Simple Marketing Formula is starting this Thursday on February 14th. I'd like to have you join us. In the course on week 2, we go through a step-by-step process to pick and choose your specialty and your niche market so that your marketing growth and scaling becomes easier altogether. Now, I'm sharing the blueprint and more details about the course, actually all the course material, an overview, obviously, and a webinar with you, and I'm going to leave the link on the comments so you can go through and see what you're getting yourself into and see if it's a good fit for you. Now, the word simple, sometimes people tell me that they're not looking for simple stuff, they're looking for advanced stuff. And they tell me that they've been in business for a few years, and so they're at the next level. Now, what I usually say is the word simple doesn't mean easy. Climbing a mountain is simple, but it may not necessarily be easy, right? So, and it always, I try to keep things simple and effective, things that can be done, and things that, and processes and tools and techniques that have been proven elsewhere. Those are the only stuff that we work on. I believe wholeheartedly in the 80-20-20 principle. So we try to put down the 80-20 of marketing. This is the 20% that actually works and delivers results. And so that's where we put in simple marketing formula. So if you'd like to learn more, I'm going to leave the link in the comments. Click on the link, check out our webinar, and if you feel like that's the right fit for you, I'd love to see you at Simple Marketing Formula. Now, if you like the video, if the instructions here helped you out and you got something new out of it, please hit like, please leave a comment, and share your experience or give me your feedback about what you liked about the video. And if you like it, please also consider sharing it with your audience and subscribe to our channel. Mostafa Hosseini, Business Coach. Have a wonderful day and see you in our next video. Bye now.